Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Well, let me just tell you first of all that quarantine had really made me active and super creative. That's why I've been trying out various different looks on my face. So today's video is all about creating this flames look on your face. I saw that this look was super trending on Instagram, so I wanted to create this look. So yeah, I hope you guys will like this video, and if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So I am using BH Cosmetics first edition eyeshadow palette, and then I'm also using number 7 lipstick in brick red just to create that flames. I'm using number 7 lipstick and using a pencil brush. I would be applying it on my eyes so that I have that nearby close shade to flames, and then using a blending brush I would be blending that lipstick on my eyelid. Just make sure that you blend it really nicely. I'm using an orange shade which would be very close enough to the lipstick which I applied. I would be applying it on my eyelid, and then using a big blending brush I would be blending it. Next color, I'm taking a yellow shade from the same palette, and then I would be just applying it on my crease and then blending so that it just forms a transition, and my eye actually looks like a little sunset, and where you can just see the transition over here from darker to lighter to very light. So this is what you have to do to create this fire flames effect. Now other eye I will be doing offline, and here we have both of our eyes. Now I'm using a Huda Beauty eyeliner, and then I would be just drawing a very light, very minimal, like a small thin line which won't be visible. I'm just doing it just to open up my eye. Now using an eyelash curler, I am also using a Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline. I would be applying it on both of my eyelashes. For the eyelash extensions, I am using eyelashes from BLAQLABEL, which is in Flutter. Using a very sharp eyeliner brush, I would be creating that fire flames on my face. Now remember this, you have to spend time creating, like getting those fire flames effect on your face. It actually takes time, and you have to have lots of patience creating that. Yeah, this is how I just created that flames effect on my face. And then after using a small eyeshadow brush, I would filling up the gaps by the orange color and by also the yellow color, just again trying to make the transition effect here, like starting from orange and then taking it lower down to yellow. And this is what I'm doing, just creating that transition, like how exactly the flames look. Just blend your eyeshadow so it just doesn't look rough, and then also applying the combination of yellow and orange eyeshadow on my nose and also on my chin. Now using a highlighter from COVERGIRL, I would be highlighting my nose. You can also highlight your inner corners and the chin. For the lipstick, I'm taking a COVERGIRL lipstick in exactly orange shade, and I am applying it on my lips. For my waterline, I'm using a NYX eyeliner in bronze, and then I would be applying it on my waterline. Now I'm also using mascara on the lower lashes. Setting my makeup, I'm using natural finish setting spray from Wet n Wild. Just apply it on your face, and there it is. So this is my final look. So it was one of the very quickest and I would say easiest makeup look, though it looks hard, but it's actually not that much hard. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.